You're staring at your tax return, a mountain of paperwork threatening to bury you alive. Or maybe you're eyeing up your investment portfolio, wondering if you're making the most of your money. A common thread weaves through both scenarios, the overwhelming desire for simplicity and efficiency. So, the burning question is, when it comes to managing your finances, is TurboTax or Wealthsimple the knight in shining armor? Let's dive in. Understanding the contenders. Before we crown a champion, let's understand what these two financial powerhouses bring to the table. TurboTax is a seasoned tax preparation software. It's like having a personal accountant guide you through the maze of deductions and credits. It's designed to be user-friendly, offering step-by-step instructions and even providing tax advice. On the other hand, Wealthsimple is a modern financial platform. It's your one-stop shop for investing, saving, and even tax filing. It promises to simplify your financial life by automating many processes. TurboTax, the tax titan. TurboTax has built a reputation as a reliable tax preparation tool. It's like having a dedicated tax professional by your side. It's particularly strong in guiding you through complex tax situations, such as owning a business or dealing with capital gains. The software is intuitive, with clear explanations at every step. Plus, it offers features like audit protection, which can provide peace of mind. However, TurboTax isn't without its drawbacks. While it excels at taxes, it doesn't offer comprehensive financial management tools. You'll need to look elsewhere for investing or budgeting solutions. Also, the pricing can escalate quickly, especially if you need to file state returns or use advanced features. Wealthsimple, the financial all-in-one. Wealthsimple has disrupted the financial industry by offering a streamlined approach to money management. It's like having a financial advisor who works for you 24/7. With Wealthsimple, you can invest, save for retirement, and even file your taxes, all in one place. Its user-friendly interface and automated features make it appealing to those who want to simplify their financial lives. But there's a catch. While Wealthsimple offers a wide range of services, it might not be the best choice for everyone. If you have a complex tax situation, you might find TurboTax more suitable. Additionally, while Wealthsimple's investment platform is solid, it might not offer the same level of customization as a dedicated investment platform. Head-to-head comparison. Let's break down the key differences between TurboTax and Wealthsimple. Tax preparation. TurboTax is the clear winner here. It offers more comprehensive tax features and is better suited for complex tax situations. Investing. Wealthsimple has a slight edge with its automated investment portfolios and user-friendly interface. However, for advanced investors, a dedicated platform might be better. Fees. TurboTax can be expensive, especially if you need to file state returns or use advanced features. Wealthsimple generally has lower fees, but there are charges for certain services. User experience. Both platforms aim for simplicity, but Wealthsimple's overall user experience might be slightly better due to its clean interface and integrated features. Which one is right for you? The best choice between TurboTax and Wealthsimple depends on your specific needs and financial goals. If your primary concern is tax preparation, especially if you have a complex tax situation, TurboTax is the way to go. However, if you're looking for a comprehensive financial platform that simplifies investing, saving, and tax filing, Wealthsimple might be a better fit. Ultimately, the best way to decide is to evaluate your financial situation and priorities. Consider factors like your income, tax complexity, investment goals, and tech savviness. The battle between TurboTax and Wealthsimple is a testament to the evolving financial landscape. Both platforms offer valuable tools to help you manage your money more efficiently. By understanding their strengths and weaknesses, you can make an informed decision about which one is right for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.